Oh my God, like what is all the hype? Is this like Beyonce versus Rihanna? Because they're both taking your money. Hi YouTube, it's Adrienne of Adrienne's House and welcome to my channel. Now of course, I know you saw from the title, but today I'm coming at you with another hair review, and this is going to be for the Fenty hair care line. Now, I purchased this with my own money, so there's gonna be no bias here, but I ended up purchasing two products. The products that I ended up purchasing are the Fenty Home Curl and the Protective Type. Now I know it's about a month from when these products first launched. There was no wait. Shipping came pretty quick. Now I do have another hair review reviewing the Sacred Hair Care line by Beyonce, so it's only fit to review the Fenty hair care line by Rihanna. And I thought, so funny, all this stuff on the internet regarding like Battle of the Divas. Oh my God, like what is all the hype? Is this like Beyonce versus Rihanna? Because they're both taking your money. They're both taking our money, and we're not gonna look like them either way, so. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. And as always, I would love it if you would hit that like, share, and subscribe button. That would definitely help me out a lot. It is always appreciated. Now, just a little bit of background. Fenty Hair has a ton of products to choose from, and I decided on these two. I'm not real big on shampoo and conditioner, only because, you know, that goes down the drain. I'm really big on styling products. Styling products to me gives me the most bang for my buck. It shows how well it performs on my curls. And for reference, my hair pattern is about a 3C, hair texture is a 3C, and my hair is very fine and thin. I'm gonna reference this a lot in this video because everything that I'm saying is the results on my hair and my hair type. So go ahead and take that with a grain of salt. But before I give you my thoughts, I want to go ahead and just show you the unboxing and me applying the product. So on that note, here we go. All right, guys. So as mentioned, I'm testing out two styling products from the new Fenty hair care line debut. And if you're new or returning to my channel, I'm using this product on my naturally curly 3C textured hair. Now, even though I'm clearly Team Natural, I believe these Fenty hair care products can be used for all hair types, textures, and lengths. Now, it's July when I'm filming this, so it is hot and my hair is already drying. So I took my trusty water bottle to resaturate my hair. Now, I'm starting out with the Protective Type, which is initially I assumed to be some sort of leave-in conditioner with heat protectant properties. Actually, it's a 5-in-1 heat protectant cream that is advertised to hydrate, smooth, defrizz, and detangle. Now, my first thought was that this bottle is very small to be a leave-in conditioner, but later on, I can see that not only does a little go a long way, but it's not as intended to be used quite as thick as I initially applied it. Now, as I mentioned, even though this cream is pretty thick for my hair, it does have a very lotiony texture that smells very universally neutral nice. It's advertised to have a warm amber, vanilla, floral, coconut scent, but I didn't pick up any of those scents, but it was pleasant. Now, I wanted to disperse the product a little more throughout, so I did section off a bit, but I did notice that with my comb, it did detangle and smooth my hair. Now, next, I'm going in with the Home Curl Curl Defining Cream, and I was most excited to use this. I really love when brands use jar-style packaging because it's so easy to handle and apply the product. Now, side note, they also added this product shield under the lid. I'm guessing for leakage and spillage, but that was a nice added touch. Now, my first initial thought that the texture didn't seem too different from the Protective Type, and I noticed that this seemed to have a pudding-like consistency. Also, this jar was 11 ounces, which I thought was fantastic, versus the 5-ounce Protective Type. So with the Home Curl cream, I think the price point was agreeable. Back to the scent, and exactly the same. This cream has the same universally clean spa-like scent. However, it smelled a tad more florally, but that could just be my opinion. Also very thick and had some slippage, which I loved as well. My fine hair was starting to get weighed down, but I know this was due to my heavy-handedness, not particularly due to the styler. Now, this cream I found to be very interesting, not quite like anything I've ever purchased before. Not to say this is groundbreaking in any way, shape, or form, and not to say that this doesn't already exist, but I can confidently say that this could be an all-in-one, all-purpose styler. It was a bit sticky on my palms, but I figured that was due to the product having frizz control and some hold as well. And even after all of that, I didn't use that much of the home curl and still have a long way to go. Now I'm gonna wait while my hair air dries and I'll come back with the results and my final thoughts. All right, so this is me the next day, and I honestly have nothing but good things to say. Now, the first thing that I did want to talk about, I'm not loving the price. Now, it's not terrible, and I don't want to keep referencing the other brand, but the price point is a little bit better than the other brand. And I really, really liked these because this is not something that I've typically found in my hair product rotation. The home curl cream, that's probably going to be added to definitely in my rotation. Probably top 10. I don't have anything like it. Now, I do have something similar from another third-party natural hair care brand, but I love this one for me and my hair. If I could use one product, this might be it. It's very creamy. It's very similar to like a leave-in conditioner, but it does give you fantastic hold. And just like the advertisement said, the hold, it's not crunchy. It is a nice, soft hold. And my hair frizzes almost immediately. Like it's already starting to frizz. So I really like though, it's not stiff, it's not crunchy, but it's just a beautiful, defined curl. Now also, I really like the protective type. Now, to be quite honest, I feel like I use this not how it was intended. I feel like I used way too much. So this review might be a bit skewed because I feel like this is probably geared toward people who are maybe planning to have a blowout, blow dry, flat iron their hair. So this is more of like a conditioning cream / protective styling product. I know whenever I've gotten my hair flat ironed professionally, which is hardly ever, but when I've gotten it done, they usually say, don't come with anything in your hair. So if I had to put something, it would probably be that, and I feel like it would perform great. It gives you the hydration. Your hair is moisturized before they apply, obviously, the hot tools. So if I had to choose a winner between the other brand and this brand, it would 100% be Fenty Hair Care. As of right now, maybe you'll correct me in the comments, I believe that it's only available online. I don't know if it's going to be available in Sephora's. I hope so, because I would definitely repurchase for sure the home curl. I'm playing around with maybe trying the gel, but I'm not the biggest gel person for when my hair is down. I'm more of a foam type of gal now. I do the gel when I slick it up, but to be quite honest, I can use the dollar gel when I'm just slicking my hair up. Another thing that I will say, for me personally, now, I don't know when you're watching this video, but this is mid-July. This is the dead of summer here in LA, and my hair with nothing in it dries super fast. In the beginning of this try-on, I had the fan on, and my hair dried so quick. So I feel that my hair would perform even better if it was soaking wet. Okay, well, maybe not soaking wet, but a little bit more damp and saturated than it was in the video. Like, I'm always so scared, like, oh, it's gonna take all day to dry. Not with this product, not with this product. Even though it went on thick, it coated the hair nicely. Now, I haven't had a chance to look on the ingredient list. The ingredient list seems a bit long, to be honest. But when I was all done and I went to rinse my hands, at first I was like, oh no, this is kind of thick, but it rinsed with just cold water off pretty nicely. So it looks to be, or have some sort of ingredient that is water soluble, which I normally like. I normally like that. So yeah. Alrighty, so that concludes my Fenty hair real quick product review. If you have any questions, obviously, most definitely go ahead and leave them in the info bar below, and make sure to like this video. And on that note, thanks for watching. Bye guys.